Model, 64-paced Renault Trafic Vivaro Sl27 Sport Energy DCI Silver Great Bodywork GreatSpec. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 156193. MOT, the 30th of December 2025. Engine, 1598 cc R9M ENERGY 120 E5. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are both in good condition and it pulls well in all gears. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. This Trafic is ready to drive away and make you money with a very long MOT. Features, 2 former keepers, alloy wheels, air con, 2 keys, parking sensors, cruise control, sat-nav, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740111